What's up, you gamer? I'm here for this video, and while I'm updating my limited battleground game, I'm gonna come back with another tutorial because it's been quite a long time. So yeah. So in today's tutorial, it's gonna be all about twin servers. So to get started, put apart like so, and you can add a script inside of it. So you could, like, if you want to go advanced, you could like use remote event on fire event. No, I'm gonna show the advanced scripters one later. So this is gonna be the basic one, which is, so what you're gonna want to do is, what you're gonna want to start with is local TS, which is short for tween service, is equals to game get service tween service. And then you could do wherever and just do local info equals tween info.new, which is all the stuff. So the time is how long it's gonna take. Also, I recommend clicking enter between the brackets so it's a little bit more organized and you can see it. So the time is the number, which is like how many seconds you want it to be. For me, I usually would do like 3 for this tutorial. And then the easing style is like what it's gonna do. So like what's the wave pattern? So let's just do enum dot easing style dot sine. So the sine goes by a sine wave. A linear is just normal, and cubic is like quad, but starts at a lower speed. And back overshoots backwards and starts going forward. Quad is speed determined by quadratic interpolation, and chord similar to quad but starts at a higher speed determined by quadratic interpolations. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to do linear, and then we're going to do easing direction. So what you're going to do is do enum dot easing direction, and then do dot out. In out is like for like in is like easing in. That's what it is. So like if it was easing in and out, it would be like the so the easing style would be applied on both. So if I was to do cubic, it would look really nice with in and out, in out. So yeah. Also guys, don't forget to place a comma between, and then do repeat count, which is how many times you want it to repeat the script. How many times you want the tween to repeat. So yeah. And then if you want it to reverse, so that if you don't want it to reverse, it's a boolean, so it's supposed to be false. And then do the delay times is supposed to be 0, because delay time's not really that good. And then what you're gonna do is do ts create, and then do script dot parent comma, and then use the info, and then do info like so. And then here is a property table. You're gonna want to do special brackets, and then you're gonna choose the property you want to tween. Some properties can't be tweened, like for example booleans, they can't be tweened, like anchored and all, but number values and properties can be tweened. So to make it simple, I'm just going to use transparency equals 1, and then you could do play at the end, or you could just make this a local script so that it's more available as like whenever proximity prompts are like triggered and all. That's what it does. So you can do, and then do tween play. So I'm just gonna run it because I don't really want to play it. So here is what it looks like. Wait, let me see what's wrong. Oh, you can just, if you do want, you could just do play. It's fine. The locals are for like, since this is like not a local script, the local is not really needed. Wait, did I? Or you could do like position if you want. So maybe like position could equal vector 3.new 0. Wait, 30, comma 0, comma 0. And then yeah, you could just do like a position like that. And then it should be moving around. Yep. It moves. But in this case, if you want like a part that moves all the time, what you're gonna want to do for over here, then there's just do reverses equal true. And then if you want it to go on forever, just do -1. It may sound confusing, but that's how you make it run forever. So it goes down there. And then it does that. So yeah. For the advanced one, I'm gonna just clear all this. Actually, no, sorry. Local TS get service tween service local info equals tween info dot new, and then just do whatever 0,3 enum dot using style dot enum dot using style dot linear or whatever, and then also don't forget to add the combo, and then do enum dot using direction dot out, which is the default, and then do repeat count 0, comma, and then do false, comma 0. So then we can like make it like a door, for example. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a simple door, and I'm also gonna make a proximity prompt. So also don't forget to anchor the part. It's gonna end up being a little weird once you run it. Duplicate, make a doorknob, which is the proximity prompt part. Like so, and then add in this part, remove the script and add a proximity prompt, and then just edit it to how you want it. I'm just gonna do action text open door, just like that. And the whole duration you can do like 0.2 activation distance and all that. So now that's ready, you can just name it so that we can put it in this part, and we're gonna name it doorknob because the parent is obviously has the name part already, but I'm gonna name it to door, like so. So then what you're going to want to do is do script.parent.knob.proximityprompt.trigger connect function. Oh yeah, and don't forget make the tween. So local tween equal game no equals ts create script.parent comma info comma, and then you can do orientation. Ooh. So then if you want it to like change, or like if you want it for the elevator, you're gonna use position equals vector3 dot new x is gonna be 0, and then y is gonna be -10 or whatever. That's all. So yeah. So what you're gonna do is just the orientation right now. It's at 0, 0, correct? So if you were to change it to like, for example, 90, it's gonna go like this. So that's what we want. And also, please excuse the fact that I did not. Also, just so you know, use a model. You're gonna need to know that later, because we don't want the part going like that. So, door. And what you're gonna do is do orientation equals 0, 90, 0, and then do tween play, like so. And then if I was to do play here, it should work, but if it doesn't, then check your script. Wait, what's wrong? If the proximity prompt doesn't work, try using a model just to make sure that it works. Go past folder. What? Oh, the part isn't anchored. Wait. So this part is anchored. I'm gonna anchor it, and then I'm just gonna maybe make it over here and then move it. Maybe that'll work. Here. So it says open door. I mean, it should work exactly, but sometimes it doesn't. So you could either do orientation or position, but position I think is much more easier to understand, and I think I'm not ready for orientation. So do vector3.new 0, -10, 0, and then if it is correct, the tween should play and the door should go up. That's quite surprising. Oh, wait. Script dot. Okay, so what you're gonna do is do script dot parent, and then do knob dot proximity prompt dot trigger connect function, and then just delete the ends and tween over here. Then do tween play, just like so. And I think this would have worked with orientation, but yeah. I guess it works, but it didn't go up, so that's fine. So now if you were to just do 0 and then maybe 5, because I didn't want it to go a super great distance. So let's see now. That's the Z. Wait. Oh, wait. So if you want it to actually like be correct for once, do script dot parent dot position dot x, then do comma script dot parent dot position dot y, comma script dot parent dot position dot z plus 10. So then it would stay in its spot but go up. It's supposed to be Y. I think that's the reason why it's been so messed up lately. So do plus 3. And then it should work. Yep, it works. So now we're gonna go on to something a little smaller, because not everything has to be that big. I'm gonna do orientation equals 0, 90, 0, and then since I messed up earlier with the proximity prompts, it should work. Or not. I mean, you get the point. So exactly. So maybe if you were to do vector 3 dot new, no, udum 2 dot new, I mean, you get the point. So yeah, that's gonna be the end for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the notification bell. See y'all.